Oh what? You say, oh. I think you too loyal. You say, I think you too loyal, girl.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. I'm not going to be showing my face for this video because I look crazy. I have a treatment in my hair and I'm just not ready. So before jumping into what my room looks like, I'm definitely going to insert a clip right now on what it looked like before. I'm going to show you my closet. I definitely do wish that I was able to show you guys what my sneakers look like before under there, but when I do show you, just picture that with a bunch of sneakers everywhere, just not even like me or anything like that. This thing over here is, let me put this back. There we go, much better. Anyway, let me just show you what it looked like before. This is all messy. This is all super messy. We have some cleaning products. Are we gonna take off the shoes? Is this mess? So this is the before. I also have all of these sneakers. That's the thing. So I have way too much. And then since my closet is so messy, it's hard for me to pull out a pair of sneakers and then everything just gets torn apart. And I can't get the sneakers that are back there because it's just not enough space. So okay, now this is my room after. Let me show you my bed. So this is what my bed looks like with the black pillows. Now these pillowcases are from IKEA, but if you look closely, it really gets like dusty and I don't like that. So I purchased this from Amazon. It feels amazing. It's that velvet material. Oh my god. So I'm definitely gonna swap that out. I should have did it before filming, but I didn't. This pillow, I might want to get a gold just because I do have my gold K over here. And then, hold on. Let me fix the flowers. I like it that way. I have this gold K over here, but I also have this K over here that is gold. Don't mind my garbage. I have to take that out. But I'm obsessed with this area right here that holds all my crafts. I'm going to show you the inside of that. And I spray painted this board black. So it has like a charcoal type of feel. I didn't fully go like this. I went up and down, well, like sideways like this. So it has like those marks, but I really do like that. Eventually it's going to be covered. Shout out to my cousin Anthony who drew this for me. He sent me a postcard. And let me show you. I showed it before, but I'm like so obsessed with it. I love it. So that's always there. This right here is actually the borders for my floor. I have to do that. Hey, so I did put up the curtains from IKEA and I love them. I think it's really pretty. It looks like it needs to be steamed. That like this right here irritates me. But anyway, I do want to show you my desk area. Okay, so for this area, excuse my table, eventually I'm gonna have to get a new one. This is all like the resin stuck. I really tried to take it off, but I couldn't. So this is the new chair that I bought. I purchased it from Amazon. Let me pull it out so you can see what it looks like. I love it, and it's so much better and more comfortable than the pink chair that I did have already. And I already had this black and white rug from FabFitFun. And now for the Cricut, this is, well, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's spelled Cricut, you know, because it's a cutting machine. Anyway, I got it in black just so it can match my whole entire room. They had gold, they had pink, they had mint, red, but I felt like getting the black one and waiting for that one to come in instead of the other colors, just so it can continue matching my theme. Okay, now for the part that everyone was waiting for, I'm going to show you my closet. Ready? Woo! Oh my god! What a freaking difference. So, I have some shoes up there, like the really big boxes. I bought these two bins from Target, and it's filled with hats. So this one has like the white and the black, and this one has, and then this is like the reds and the burgundies. And this over here is my bathing suit bin, which I have so much bathing suits that I don't even really wear. I did recently buy 2 new bathing suits, so they're in there. These are the sneakers that are more like winter sneakers. They're really big and bulky. And 1 pair of Uggs, just because they're like super clean, super fresh. I didn't want to put them in the drawer. Now for this part is my jackets, my sweaters, my hoodies. I did put a lot of my jackets in storage, and I did put a lot away to sell and to give away to people. So I just have it like kind of color coordinated. I have the reds and the purples there, the yellows, well, you know, neon, the green, the blues, the grays, the blacks, and then I have my pants, my sweatpants, and whatever type of pants these are. I don't know what material this is, but I love that material. I have a couple of pants like that. I have my Adidas pants, my cargos, and then it starts going to my little thin summer dresses. And if you notice, most of the hangers are the same finally. These are a little bit more like a velvet type of material, so that's why I have the dresses on it so they don't slide off. But that's where my dresses are. Let me just back up a little bit so you guys can see. But over here, like I said, this is where the dresses are, and then I do have a bunch of more, well, a bunch more space right here and hangers just in case I get more things, which I definitely will be getting more things. And then over here are just some of my bags, some fanny packs and stuff like this. I didn't have anywhere to put it, and this is like the perfect spot anyways. All right, now down here, what a freaking difference. I'm so excited about this part because now it's gonna be so much easier. I gave away so many boxes of sneakers, you guys have no idea. Well, if you guys do remember what it looked like before, I definitely gave away a lot and everything is much more organized. These are definitely don't have it filled all the way to the top. Like I had it filled all the way up here before and like squashed over there. There was so much squashed. For these, whatever type of shoes these are, I used it for work a couple times. I don't have a box for that. They were like really cheap from H&M, I think. Yeah, that's H&M. So this box is filled with like all my old things from when I was younger. My diplomas in there, a couple of like Game Boys. This is my photo albums. Over here is a plastic bag filled with my Halloween stuff. Like I have wigs and costumes in there. So I'm glad everything is in one bag because some of the stuff was in here and I don't really need to go in here for anything. On top of here is a bag filled with bags, and that's pretty much it. I can see the wall. Before I could not see the wall at all, so I'm really like super happy with the way that my closet looks. So that's that. So this first drawer has, let's open it. It has all my sandals and my slides. I do have some slides in the closet, but those are my Gucci slides and my Fenty ones. I didn't want to like squash them in here because they're too nice to do that. But yeah, that's just my little sandal collection, whatever. So for the middle one, I actually forgot what it was. Oh, okay, yeah, my Uggs. So in this one, I have my Uggs, my Timberlands, and I didn't want to get rid of these only because they're just so cute to me. I don't know. Like, do I ever wear rain boots? Probably not. But if I ever need them, they will be in there. So that's like my Ugg drawer and my boots. Okay, so if you guys remember in my last video, my closet was filled with my jeans. And I didn't have space for that. This is probably like one of my favorite parts. I love it. I freaking love it. So all my jeans are in here, which I didn't realize I actually do have a lot of jeans. These are my regular like low rise, which go like right here. These are denim full set outfits. So this is like a one piece. These are all one pieces, and then I have one pair of white jeans. In the middle we have all my mom jeans and my, what's it called, high waist jeans. And then last but not least, all my black shades of jeans. So what do you guys think about that? Let me know if that was a good idea. Shout out to my aunt. Okay, now for this side, I'm just gonna quickly show you because I am gonna make a video showing my sneakers like in depth. So I'm just gonna quickly show you. Boom, sneakers, boom, boom. So for the last thing, I'm gonna actually show you what's inside of these bins. So starting from right here. So in this first one, I have the 2 bags that I always carry with me outside to do my projects. I have everything like separated. And then these are just my tools for the Cricut. And I have my scissors because I always need that. Now for the second drawer, I have all my packaging that I do have left, which if I'm gonna be continuing this business, which I really do hope so, that's what the goal is, I'm gonna have to buy more of these. And this is the wrapping paper that I've been using. Can you see it? There we go. It has like glitter on it. And then I have the scale. So this is all like my packaging stuff in this one. So I have the scale right here, as well as like the tape for when I do finish packing everything up. And so that is that one. Now, well, let me just show you this one. So right here I have all my molds. This is the bin filled with molds. You can see it all in here. I have all of these, and then I just have like the 2 glue guns. I need more of these because this is like my most selling one. This is the deeper ashtray. And yeah, I definitely need more of these because, can you see it? I had to throw a lot out. If it will focus. Okay, you see that right there? That is not good because that is just a piece of the mold taken off, and then it's gonna take a piece of the product, the finishing product off, and that's not a good look. So I need to buy more of that. This bottom one over here is super heavy because the trays that I use are metal trays. I didn't get much orders of this shape just because I haven't shown anyone this shape really, so I'm gonna have to start showing people because, oh no, there goes my body. We're not doing that. Yeah, so I paint them. This is the oval one, and these are the, well, rectangles, and they're super heavy, so that's why they're at the bottom. That's that one. And then for the last one, I have my printing paper. I have my, well, this is a little bit more printing paper, let me put it this way. I have my folder filled with a couple of projects that I do have in here to do for people. And I have the transparent paper, the laminating paper, and then I also have, where's the other paper? I just bought paper recently. Oh, actually that was this one. Okay, so this is the sticker paper. That is all like my papers. Let me push that back in. These 2 are like so heavy, so I had to place them at the bottom. And then we already know this is my K. Hey you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm over here editing another video. Well, I just posted it right now, so I'm no longer editing. This one is titled Thrifting in Brooklyn, NYC Didn't Go As Planned. And these are like the cute little pictures that I took yesterday when I went thrifting. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below any more video suggestions, and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.